Robert, there continues to be more and more discussion about a potential rate cut later this month. Let's talk about some of the factors that are going into the Fed's decision.
Well, one of the big ones is what's going on with inflation, Susan. And this last week, we got the inflation numbers, both the producer price index and the consumer price index for June, and they were both pretty benign. Overall energy prices came down, and that kept both headline numbers in check, increasing by just 0.1%, both of them for the month. And they're both up about 1.6, 1.7%, so below for the year, so below the Fed's near 2% target. So right now, inflation is benign, and that's going to give the Fed ample room to make a cut. This week, we had the congressional testimony by Fed Chair Jay Powell, and he laid out a rationale for why he thinks the Fed should be cutting rates. In his prepared remarks, he made 11 or 12 separate points about justifying a rate cut. And then we also had the minutes from the last FOMC meeting, which said that several other members of the FOMC were prepared to cut rates. And then we've also had some backup support from Lael Brainerd, a governor on the Fed. She was speaking, saying she was in support of a rate cut. And John Williams, the president of the New York Fed, also in support of the rate cut. So everything is lining up. So it's not really a matter of if, but a matter of how much, and then what is this going to lead to?
In terms of what this could lead to, are you wondering about, will this start a rate cut cycle?
Well, that's right. I mean, I think we're only going to get 25 basis points of a rate cut. Some people are thinking 50. And then the question is, does the Fed keep going down from here? And I think what the Fed's going to do is give us that 25 basis point rate cut at the end of July. And then they're going to pause again because they need to see how the market reacts, both the stock market, financial markets, and the overall economy, how the whole system reacts to a lower rate cuts. They may need to do more eventually, but that's not guaranteed at this point. So we're going to take it one at a time going forward.